Hi, boys. Welcome to your Science Daddy Cast. Here we have Cultivating Curiosity Through Science. Did you know the larvae of ant lions are called doodlebugs? Doodlebugs got this name because when they walk, they leave a trail that looks like someone has scribbled or written something on the ground. Maybe it's because of this little thing on the back of them, pokes into the dirt. These strange bugs these strange bug larvae can only walk backwards and dig pits for their prey, which are ants, to fall into. Oh, kind of like you were doing at your soccer game the other day, Perrin. Check out the Wikipedia article below for more information. All right, now you're going to do your nature journal. Let me zoom in. Oops. Zoom in on the part down here, classification. Why don't you guys pause the video and write down the classification here in your nature journal. Oh, come on. Keep messing that up by clicking on the page. It goes to the next page. Okay. If you didn't pause it yet, pause it now because we're moving on. So here we have some different things. You can pick what you want to put in your nature journal. You can choose to do the life cycle. Oops, that's the wrong direction. The adult, the eggs, the larvae, the cocoon. You can choose to do the adult dragonfly with its wings spread out. Or you can do the larva stage. So I'm going to turn off my face, and then you pause the video, and you can draw your drawing. Okay, if you haven't paused it yet, pause it now because the video is ending. See you guys in the next Daddy Cast.